Namaste. I, JVN Dr. Juhi Singh, Assistant Professor at Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur, Department Faculty of Pharmaceutical Sciences. Today's our topic is influenza. Epidemics of the influenza typically occur during the winter months and have been responsible for an average of approximately 36,000 deaths per year in the United States during the 1990s or 1999. Influenza virus also caused the pandemic during which rates of illness and death from the influenza related complication can increase dramatically worldwide. Influenza virus can cause diseases among all age group 2 to 4. Rate of the infection are highest among children, but rate of serious illness and death are the highest among persons aged 65 years and persons of any age who have the medical condition that place them at increased risk of complication from the influenza. Influenza vaccinations is the primary method for preventing influenza and its severe complications. It is in this report from the Advisory Committee of Immunization Process. The primary target group recommended for annual vaccination group that are increased risk of influenza related to the complication that persons age 65 year and the person of any age with a certain chronic medical condition. The group age 50 to 64 years because this group has elevated prevalence of certain chronic medical condition, and then person who live with or care for the person at the high risk, healthcare workers and household contact who have frequent contact with the person with the high risk who can transmit influenza to the person at high risk. Vaccination is associated with the reduction of influenza related respiratory illness and physician visit among all age group, hospitalization and death among the person at the high risk, otitis media among the children, and work absentees among the adult in age 18 to 18. Among the influenza vaccination level increased sustainability during 1990s. The further improvement in the vaccine coverage level are needed chiefly among the person age 65 years who are increased risk of influenza related complication among all the racial and ethnic group and among black and Hispanic aged is greater than 65 years. AICIP recommended using strategies to improve vaccination level. So, vaccination level including using reminder, recall system, standing order programs. Although influenza vaccination remains the cornerstone for the control and treatment of the influenza, information has also represented regarding antiviral medication because of these agents are adjust to the vaccine. Primary changes and updates of in the recommendation in 2003. Recommendation included 5 principal changes. The updates: the optimal time to receive influenza vaccine continues to be October and November. However, because of vaccine distribution delay in 2002, AICIP recommend that the vaccination effort in October focus on the person aged greater than 50 years and those in 6 to 23 months. Person at age of 2 to 49 years with a certain medical conditions that place them at increased risk of influenza related to the complications. Children at the age of less than 9 years receiving influenza vaccines for the first time. Healthcare workers and household contact a person at the high risk and are vaccinations of other group being in November. Because of the young, otherwise healthy children are at increased risk for influenza-related hospitalization. Influenza vaccinations of healthy children at the age of 6 to 23 months continue to the encourages when the feasible vaccine of the children age 6 months who have certain medical condition continue to be strongly recommended. In 2003 to 2004, trivalent inactivated vaccine virus strain are A. Moscow 1099 H3 and 2 like A. New Caledonia 2090 H1 and 1 like and B. Hong Kong 330 2001 antigen for the Moscow 1099 H3 and 2 like antigen manufacturer will use the antigenetically equivalent A. Panama 2007 99 H3 and 2 virus for the B. Hong Kong 330 to 2001 like antigens. Manufacturer will use either B. Hong Kong 330 to 2001 or antigenetically equivalent Hong Kong 1434 to 2002. A limited amount of influenza vaccine will reduce thimerosal content, including 0.25 ml, a single dose syringe. Preventions of the children at 6 to 35 months should be available for 2003 and 4 influenza season. Influenza vaccines for the US market will be available from the 2 manufacturers in 2003 to 4 compared with the 3 manufacturers in 2002 and 2003. Influenza A and B are the two types of influenza that cause epidemic human disease. Influenza A virus is further categorized into subtypes of the basis of two surface antigen hematoglutinin H or neuraminidase. Influenza B virus are not categorized into the subtype since 1977. Influenza A H1N1 virus, influenza virus 2001, influenza A H1N2 virus that are probably emerged after genetic reabsorbent between human A H3N2 and A H1N1 virus begin circulating widely. But both influenza A and B virus are further is separated into the group on the basis of antigens. Characteristic new virus influenza virus variant result from the frequent antigen changes. Antigen drift resulting from the point of mutation that occur during the viral application. Influenza B virus undergo antigenic drift less rapidly than influenza A virus. A pathogen immunity of the surface antigen include the hematoglutinin reduces the likelihood of the infection and severity of the disease if the infection occurs. Antibody against one influenza virus type and subtype on code limited and no protection against another. Furthermore, antibody of two antigen variant of the influenza virus may not protect against the new antigen variant of the same type of subtype. Frequently development of the antigen variant, though the antigenic drift is the virological basis of the seasonal epidemic on the seasonal and the reason of the visual incorporation is greater than one new strain in each year of the influenza vaccine. Clinical signs and symptoms of the influenza, like influenza virus, are spread from one person to another person, primarily through the coughing, sneezing of infected person. Incubation period of the influenza is 1 to 4 days, with the average of the 2 days. Adults typically are infectious from the day before the symptoms begin, though approximately 5 days after illness onset. Children can be infectious for 10 days and young children can be shared virus for the 6 days before their illness onset. immunocompromised person shed virus for the week or a month. Uncomplicated influenza illness is categorized by abrupt onset of the constitutional and respiratory signs and symptoms like fever, melalgia, headache and severe malaise, non-productive cough and sore throat, and rhinitis. Among the children, otitis media, nausea, vomiting are also commonly reported with the influenza illness. Respiratory illness caused by the influenza difficult to distinguish from the illness caused by the other respiratory pathogens on the basis of the symptoms alone. Reportive sensitivities and specificities of the clinical definitions for the influenza like illness in the studies primarily among adults that include fever, cough and have ranged from 63 to 78% and 55 to 71% respectively. Compared with the viral culture, sensitivity and predictive values for the clinical definition can vary depending on the degree of co-circulation and other co-circulation of the other respiratory pathogens and the level of influenza activity. A study among older or non-hospitalized patients determined that symptoms of fever, acute cough, and onset of positive predictive value of 30% of the influenza, whereas the study of hospitalized older patient with the current cardiopulmonary disease determined that the combination of the fever, cough, illness is less than 7 days and 78 sensitive and 73 specific for the influenza. However, many studies among the vaccinated older person with the chronic lungs diseases reported that the cough were not predictive of the influenza infections, although having a feverishness were 68 sensitive and 54 specific of fever and specific for the influenza infections. Influenza illness typically resolve after a limited number of the days. For the majority of the person, although cough and malaise can predictive or persist for the 2 weeks. Among certain persons, influenza can exacerbate and underlying a medical condition like pulmonary and cardiac diseases led to the secondary bacterial pneumonia, primary influenza virus pneumonia, and occur as a part of infections with other viral and bacterial pathogens. Young children with the influenza infections can have the initial symptoms mimicking bacterial sepsis with the high fever, and 20% of the children hospitalized with the influenza can have febrile season, and influenza infection has been associated with encephalopathy, transverse myelitis, Reye syndrome, myocystis, myocarditis, and pericarditis. Hospitalization and death from the influenza. The risk and complication and hospitalization and death from the influenza higher among the person aged more than 65 years and the young children and the person of any age with a certain underlying health conditions than the among healthy older children and the younger adults. Esteem the rate of influenza associated with the hospitalization and have varied substantially any age of the group in studies conducted during the different influenza epidemics. Among the children aged 0 to 4 year, hospitalization rate is approximately 5,000 to 1 lakh population for those with the high risk medical condition. With the high risk medical condition within the 0 to 4 age group, hospitalization rate are the highest among the children aged 1 year are comparable to the rate reported the person 65 years during the influenza epidemics from the 1969 to 70, though 1994 94 to 95, that estimated overall number of influenza associated hospitalization in the US range from approximately 16,000 to 2,20,000 epidemic, and an average of an approximately 1,14,000 influenza influenza related access of hospitalization occur per year. So that is all about the influenza. Namaste. Thank you. If you have any query, just comment below.